Mastering lean manufacturing concepts. Lean manufacturing's radical principles ignite a relentless crusade against waste, fueling an insatiable quest for perfection. What are the fundamental principles of lean manufacturing that drive its philosophy, and how do their practical applications influence its pursuit of operational excellence in terms of waste reduction, process optimization, and continuous improvement? The fundamental principles of lean manufacturing revolve around the philosophy of minimizing waste, maximizing value-added activities, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. These principles, which drive the lean philosophy, are rooted in the concept of operational excellence, which is predicated on the relentless pursuit of perfection in all aspects of organizational performance. The first fundamental principle of lean is the identification and elimination of waste. Waste, in the lean context, refers to any activity that does not add value to the product or service from the customer's perspective. There are 8 types of waste, namely, transport waste, inventory waste, motion waste, waiting waste, overproduction waste, overprocessing waste, defect waste, and skills waste. By identifying and eliminating these types of waste, organizations can reduce waste-related costs, improve efficiency, and increase productivity. The practical application of waste elimination involves conducting a thorough analysis of organizational processes to identify areas where waste is prevalent. This analysis is typically conducted through value stream mapping, which is a visual representation of the flow of materials, information, and activities across the value stream. Value stream mapping helps organizations to identify areas of waste, allocate resources effectively, and prioritize improvement initiatives. Process optimization is another fundamental principle of lean that drives its pursuit of operational excellence. Process optimization involves the streamlining of processes to minimize variability, reduce lead times, and increase throughput. This is achieved through the application of techniques such as continuous flow processing, where products are processed continuously, and one-piece flow, where products are processed one piece at a time. The practical application of process optimization involves the implementation of standardized work procedures, which are designed to ensure consistency and repeatability in process execution. Standardized work procedures also provide a basis for continuous improvement, as they enable organizations to identify areas where processes can be improved and opportunities for waste reduction. Continuous improvement is the third fundamental principle of lean that drives its pursuit of operational excellence. Continuous improvement involves the ongoing evaluation and improvement of processes to ensure that they remain relevant, efficient, and effective. This is achieved through the application of techniques such as Kaizen, which is a Japanese philosophy that encourages employees to identify opportunities for improvement and implement changes. The practical application of continuous improvement involves the empowerment of employees to take ownership of improvement initiatives. This is achieved through the establishment of cross-functional teams that are responsible for identifying areas for improvement and implementing changes. Continuous improvement also involves the use of performance metrics, such as key performance indicators, KPIs, which are used to measure process performance and identify opportunities for improvement. In addition to waste elimination, process optimization, and continuous improvement, other fundamental principles of lean that drive its pursuit of operational excellence include the following. Pull production. This involves the production of products based on customer demand, rather than producing products in anticipation of demand. Pull production helps to reduce inventory levels, minimize overproduction, and ensure that products are produced only when they are needed. Root cause analysis. This involves the identification of the underlying causes of problems, rather than just treating the symptoms. Root cause analysis helps organizations to identify and eliminate the root causes of problems, which can lead to recurring defects and waste. Visual management. This involves the use of visual aids, such as charts, graphs, and diagrams, to communicate information and monitor process performance. Visual management helps organizations to identify areas for improvement, track progress, and make data-driven decisions. Total productive maintenance. This involves the maintenance of equipment and machinery to ensure that they are operating at optimal levels. Total productive maintenance helps organizations to minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall equipment effectiveness. Supplier partnerships. This involves the development of collaborative relationships with suppliers to ensure that raw materials and components are delivered on time, at the right quality, and at the right price. Supplier partnerships help organizations to reduce supply chain risks, improve quality, and minimize inventory levels. The practical application of these principles has a significant impact on operational excellence in terms of waste reduction, process optimization, and continuous improvement. By eliminating waste, optimizing processes, and pursuing continuous improvement, organizations can achieve significant benefits, including reduced costs. Waste elimination and process optimization help organizations to reduce waste-related costs, minimize variability, and improve efficiency. Improved quality, continuous improvement and root cause analysis help organizations to identify and eliminate defects, which can lead to product failures and customer dissatisfaction. Increased productivity, process optimization and total productive maintenance help organizations to minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall equipment effectiveness. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Pull production and supplier partnerships help organizations to ensure that products are delivered on time, at the right quality, and at the right price, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, the fundamental principles of lean manufacturing, including waste elimination, process optimization, and continuous improvement, drive its pursuit of operational excellence. The practical application of these principles has a significant impact on operational excellence in terms of waste reduction, process optimization, and continuous improvement, and can lead to significant benefits, including reduced costs, improved quality, increased productivity, and enhanced customer satisfaction.